It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fucking hard.
Yo, good morning, chat. How are we doing? Happy Tuesday, right? I think it's Tuesday. Good morning, guys. Yo, say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button before we get started. Boys and girls, don't be shy. How's everybody doing? Good to see yous. Oh, who do we got in here? Good morning, Goslin. Good morning, Hudson. Good morning, Arbaz, Shamar, Dario, Wolf Dubai. Good morning, guys. What's up, Aiden? Eric, good morning. Good morning, Wright Nash, Oscar, Lorenzo, Ganja Kid, Oracle. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I hope everybody's week is going well so far. Happy NFP day, technically, right? Happy NFP Tuesday. That's something that I've never said before, and I don't know if I'll ever say that again. Happy NFP Tuesday, chat. Oh boy, hope you boys and girls are ready and excited. We got, let's see, less than a minute here until the open, so let's go ahead and dive in, shall we? Now, first and foremost, two things. Obviously, yes, economic calendar. Like I said, NFP, October, what is this? So yeah, we got, this was tentative if you guys remember initially. So we got ADP, we got October data, and we've got current data for non-farm, and then we got core retail sales that took place, unemployment rate. I got a notification. I saw that unemployment is the highest that it's been since 21 of September. I want to say September 2021. And we have PMI news 15 minutes into the open. Market is just opening up now, but we got PMI news 15 minutes into the open. My plan is to wait for this to pass. The other thing to note for you boys and girls that did not already do this, if you have not rolled your contracts over to the March contract, you should do so now, because we have officially flipped the total volume on the contract. So December contract, you can put that in the past and move on to March 2026. The ticker, what is it? H? Yeah. So we got NQH, ESH 2026. Same with the micros as well. So just make sure that you guys have that all rolled over, and same with your copy traders as well. So if you're using TradeSyncer, make sure that you have the proper contract loaded. Speaking of, I just noticed that NQ was not loaded in here. MNQ is only by itself. Let's fix that, shall we? There we go. All right, yeah, so make sure you guys have your contracts loaded into your copy traders. Same with Replicanto if you guys are using Replicanto. Just make sure you have the right contracts in. But otherwise, boys, let's dive into the chart real quick. Like I said, market just opened up. We got news in 15 minutes, so I am waiting for the news. I'm not planning on putting a trade on. Not that I ever am right at the open, but looking here, boys and girls, let's go drop down here to the daily. So really, when I'm looking at this daily chart, what I'm looking for, and the reason I'm using the daily, I don't see honestly anything of importance or significance on the weekly other than like this very minuscule weekly fair value gap on ES. I mean, it is a gap after all, so you know, even the small gaps can hold, boys and girls. That's the thing. However, looking at the daily, I find a little bit more significance in obviously just the inefficiencies here on both NQ and ES. Now on NQ, we did get a nice 50% rebalance of this range. So is this range rebalanced to support another drive higher? We'll see. However, ES has a little bit further to drop if not. So I just want to kind of point that out. But yes, we do have inefficiencies to the left. We have rebalanced on NQ. NQ also obviously hit this daily order block as well from the 20th of November. So yeah, we'll see. Like I said, if this is going to be a rebalance to then support a move back to the upside or not, time will tell. So scaling in here to the 4-hour, we've got 4-hour bearish gaps currently creating some resistance on price. So we'll see if we end up, flipping these 4-hour gaps. If so, I think it's pretty likely that we would see the next draw be this internal high. So that would be kind of where my eyes would go. Obviously, we have a 4-hour gap here as well. So perhaps would keep our eyes on that also. ES is tapping into it right now, however. So we'll see here. We got bearish PD arrays potentially looking to hold on the 4-hour and 1-hour. I don't really see anything. Yeah, nothing really that we need to really worry about on this 1-hour, I don't think. And then 15. So yeah, I mean, obviously just looking kind of at the overnight trading as well. Here are your overnight London and Asia ranges. Right here. So London took out Asia low. Could be creating that manipulation and low of day, and we could potentially see New York distribute. Like I said, we'll kind of see how everything plays out here with the news. But yeah, boys, let me know in the chat what you guys think in terms of, if you guys are kind of seeing this similar thought process here on the daily. Like I said, we'll see if ES wants to also rebalance this daily time frame, or if this is all we need to do before I'll move back up. Let me know if you guys hold that thought process more so, or if you guys hold the thought process of it's doomsday and we're going much lower. Both opinions could be valid, I suppose, at the end of the day. But let me know what you guys are thinking, kind of at a higher time frame perspective. Otherwise, boys, we got 10 minutes until this PMI news comes out. So right now, levels of significance, really just this data high, to be honest. Definitely have already taken out data lows now. Dropping into the 1 just to mark our first presented gap. Do we got one yet? No, not really. I mean, we got this gap here, obviously, right at the 9:30 candle, but as far as regular trading hours are concerned, we don't, obviously, right? Opening range gap here, currently holding price down. We'll see if we can flip that. But, yeah, we'll see. News in 9, boys, news in 9. Who do we got in here? What's going on? I just saw the first comment I saw was Goblin, you're a complainer, bro. What Goblin say? Let's check out Goblin. Goblin goes top step down again. Guys, at some point you just gotta say fuck top step and use code Tyler at Tradeify. I mean, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like, I hate to, you know what I mean? I hate to be shilling affiliate codes so bright and early in the morning, but like, you know what I mean, bro? It's kind of like death taxes and top step is down. Like, it's just like, you know what I mean? At some point, it's just your fault for using them. You know what I mean? At some point. You know what I'm saying? Isn't even. Can I get an amen, chat? You know what I'm saying? Oh. Yeah, boys, we actually did get a nice move yesterday. I'm not gonna lie though. We're kind of waiting for this news to release anyway. If you guys want, let's go and look at yesterday real quick. I do want to just point out two things. About yesterday's price action. I was watching, I was tape reading. I didn't take anything. I was kind of anticipating yesterday to be a little bit problematic with it being the day before this NFP today or whatever. And then obviously it was kind of a no news Monday. They added an orange folder, but that was, I think it was like an FOMC member speaking or something like that. So it wasn't anything that like I was too mindful of. But obviously, yeah, looking at yesterday's price action, kind of put on the sessions here to show it a little bit cleaner. But you guys can obviously see Asia, London, and then, right at market open, basically, we just tanked. This was 380 points down. Obviously wiping all of the external lows out. I will say the only thing that would have made this a little bit tricky, and I think you guys will agree with me, and you guys can let me know what you guys ended up doing if you did trade yesterday. But keep it, like, look at these London Asia lows, right? Look at these London Asia lows. This is where I think it might have got tricky for some folks. So London and Asia low gets rated here at 10 a.m. basically. So this is 9:55 going into 10 a.m. We raid London Asia lows. And if I were to just go in replay mode real quick. Oh, interesting. If I go to replay mode here, why is it so fucking big? Get down there, jeez. Why is it so fucking big? Anyway, so yeah, we take out this London Asia low. There we go. Right going into 10 a.m. Right. So where I think it could have got tricky for some folks would be like if you were kind of anticipating reversal off of London Asia lows at 10 a.m. So watch here on the 1 minute. So let's turn this off. Fast forward a few candles. It was pretty quick. It was like, yeah, there we go. So where I think this is where I think it could have got a little bit dicey for some people if you were anticipating reversal at London Asia low being taken at 10 a.m. And then you see this, right? Like this inversion with displacement on the 1 minute. Like I'm sure a lot of people were potentially looking to just long this reversal back into the range. Like I said, I was just watching this and I just had already made my mind up that I wasn't going to put any trades on. So I'm watching this. I'm like, oh, that looks like it could be a reversal. And then literally within a couple minutes, we end up inversing back the other direction. All right, back down. And then at that point, you're looking at, this is already at the end of the 10 a.m. macro. And you're kind of just watching this hourly candle form. And this is when it was like, okay, yeah, we're probably going to sell to those external lows. If I go to those right here, right? So like this is where it then became clear that these lows were in play. But like I said, I think this 10 a.m. reversal could have definitely tricked some folks and do some longs for sure. And then obviously like this external low wasn't like too far from that point, pretty close proximity. And we go and take that out and then obviously drop even further. So anyway, boys, yeah, let me know if anybody did anything yesterday morning. It was obviously a big move. So for sure there was opportunity. Let me get out of replay mode here. Jeez. Leave. All right, back to our originally scheduled programming chat. We got news in 5 minutes. News in 5. But anyway, yeah. So that was kind of what I was just looking at yesterday, and yeah, I'm flat so far in the week. I haven't done anything. Let's see. Took longs after previous day lows were hit. Yeah, you guys were pretty talkative in the Discord yesterday. I felt like. Otherwise, yeah, you guys are pretty quiet here. Nobody took anything, huh? A couple people took some longs after previous day low. Nobody caught shorts though. What's up? What's up, chat? I'm waiting for the person in the chat that's like, oh yeah, man, I literally top ticked the short and caught the whole thing. One in every crowd, right? One in every crowd. But let's see, what's the poll at? 57% bullish today. Okay, it's actually pretty split. So you guys aren't too lopsided, but you guys are still feeling bullish. News in a few minutes. I mean, I guess we can mark out this London low, obviously for good measure. This would be our only sell side target, to be honest, for the most part, if this is really going to go from internal to external. Otherwise, we've got, I was going to say, yeah, no, data high was not taken on ES either. We got this data high, this data wick up here. 386. But yeah, not like I mean, not from, at least in my opinion, not really the biggest, you know, NFP, if you want to call it that, move here this morning. This is not generally how it looks. I mean, it definitely always looks like a big wick, but usually we get a bigger move than that. Yeah, unemployment rate is 4.6%, chat. 4.6%. You know why though? It's because everybody's out here trading like the banks. You know what I mean? Like, why would you be employed if you can learn fair value gaps and order blocks and liquidity sweeps and trade like the banks? You know what I mean? That's kind of what I think is the kind of the culprit here. Yeah. Pretty simple. Cause and effect. And sus blocks. That's right, Kev. Thanks for reminding me. I forget about the sus blocks. You know what? Because that dropped, that actually probably is the main contributor now that I think about it. That's a great point. Yeah, thanks for the reminder. Yeah, let's just say that the unemployment rate data is only sus to those that are unaware of sus blocks. It's no surprise here. It is no surprise here. Oh yeah, what's the I saw the Poly Market tweet. Some people were kind of raving about. Was that yesterday, or I think that was over? Maybe it was over the weekend. But Poly Market saying that Nasdaq is looking to be a 24/7 traded asset. Does that mean we're does that mean that 2026 ICT mentorship is going to be off the charts? See what I did there? Badumts. I mean, it's still on the charts, but anyway, bad joke. Bad joke. News in 5 seconds, chat. Oh yeah, not 24/7. What am I saying? I mean, it's technically 23/5, yeah. Yeah, boys, I don't know what's up with Top Step X. Everyone in the chats, everyone in the chat saying it's down. I haven't opened it yet. And it doesn't look like I will be opening it if it's down, so. Brad, come on, man. Brad, you're supposed to lift me up when I do make a bad joke. Listen, you know, you can always tell your friend, who's your friends, your real friends, when you make a bad joke and they laugh. They laugh anyway, just so you don't feel bad. You know what I mean? Brad. Fucking Brad. It's always Brad. Damn it. The mentorship, it will be locked and loaded. Well, you know what, Brad? At least we got some positivity there. Thank you. Thank you, Brad. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. All right, well, we got the PMI data, and still kind of lackluster. Are we about to... Looks like ES is getting ready to accelerate lower, but... London low, ES, we got 832. I wonder if we could get ES to drive down and take that out and create an SMT. Wouldn't that just be nice? Or would that not be nice? Wicking back up. Macro's going to begin here in a few minutes. Oh my God. Never mind. Abort mission. This is why trading and live commentating on the 1 minute chart is so funny, because quite literally in 30 seconds or less you could it could you just sound like a total idiot. Heard Tyler was going fart house. Heard Tyler was going through weight loss surgery next week. Fart house? I mean, for all the burner account names I've ever heard, Fart House has to be up there. Fart House. Sounds like it stinks. Well, we got data high 386. Honestly, it's kind of looking like that's where we're going now after this close. In the last couple of minutes, your long got stopped, Oscar. What? Or were you long from here? I'm not gonna lie, framing this up is a little difficult. I just don't want to do this. I don't want my trade to look like this. But I'm kind of tempted to try this trade on if we could get a retest of this inversion. It looks like we're gonna get this flip to data high potentially. I'll give this a go. If we could fill the limit here at 296. If not, then we'll wait. Oh fucking A. You couldn't have picked me up first before doing that? Well, so much for that one, boys. That looks like she's gone. Gone like a freight train, gone like yesterday, gone like a soldier in the Civil War, bang, bang. Gone like a in 9 Carolina. Well, shit. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll generate perfect equal highs and come back. I doubt it, though. Yeah, there it is. Data high, chat, taken out there. Limit, damn. Look at that. I mean, come on. I don't even know. What am I supposed to do? Chase everything? Apparently. Anyway, yeah, so limit came off, guys. Data high is taken here. We're SMTing with it as well. I don't know what we're going to do from here. We'll see. If we get some follow through, then you know, again, this 4-hour candle will close in 8 minutes. And yeah, I mean, obviously, if we get this inversion on the 4-hour, your eyes go to 433 and potentially to 668. But if this comes back down and we end up closing back in this gap, then maybe we do see lower. And then we could maybe see that London low. Dang. That would have been nice, though. Shit. Wouldn't that have been nice, boys? I think that would have been nice. That would have been okay. All right, delete that. Lil Pesto. Yeah, Project X is, I mean, yeah, everybody's been saying that it's down. Project X is owned by Top Step, by the way, boys and girls. So if you didn't know, now you do. PA looks buns. Really? I don't think PA looks too bad. I mean, we're kind of just waiting now at this point, but I feel like this move was pretty clean here. So far. That video is still up, McCann. How to trade on it. Oddly enough, it's like one of my most watched videos. That's why I haven't taken it down. Am I related to PJ trades? I'm not. Nope. Why do we look alike? My hair's not. Isn't he a redhead? Or no? Yeah, we're chopping now. We're chopping now. Evil Goyim trades? Wait, Evil Goyim trades? Course seller? Does he actually sell a course, or is it a... I thought he just did a private Discord, right? I don't know, boys. Maybe I'll have to go back. Maybe I'll have to go back and launch a private group. You know? I don't know. You guys don't like the stream anyway, so it's like, why live stream for free if I'm not even gonna get free likes in return? You know what I mean? I might as well get my bread up and... No? What do you guys say? Wait, I don't know. What do you guys think? All people with the last name trades are related. That's... Now we're talking, Nemo. We're all just kissing cousins. Pause. PJ's under heat because apparently he's copying Lanto with trades. Dude, I saw some guy coming at Lanto, I thought, on Twitter the other day. There's always somebody coming at anybody in the trading space, isn't there? It's like fucking A. It's like the trading space is toxic in the sense of like, I just feel like everybody just wants to see everybody else fail. Like all that, you know what I mean? I mean, and it's kind of why my streams where I take losses they get like double the views of the streams where I win. It's fucking crazy. And they get, you know, obviously 3-4 times the engagement. It's just so funny. Like when you're on a winning streak, like the comments that you get are just like, dude, same trade. We trade. It's so funny. We traded the exact same way. We have the same style. LOL. And then it's just like you take a loss and it's just like, you dumbass. People coming out of the woodwork and like giving you trading tips. It's just like, okay. It's so funny. But yeah, the trading space kind of is, it can be a little bit draining at times. Yeah, dude, crazy. I saw some of the stuff that happened over the weekend. There was also something in Brown University, was there? I didn't see too much about that. I just obviously I know that there was shootings that took place. I didn't really see any like too much detail about any of it though. But we are about to roll into the new hour chat. I guess hedge your bets. The chat, for the most part, is bullish, 56%, but we are not seemingly in too big of a hurry after taking out data high. We'll see what we want to do. We're going to close this 4 hour, and I'm just trying to decide. I mean, to me, I guess the weird thing about this is just like, we're going to get this inversion on the 4 hour for NQ. Are we going to get it on ES? That's where it becomes a little dicier, I think, just because this 4 hour gap that we'd be looking to target on NQ would, I mean, we've already hit it on ES, so if ES closes in the gap, I don't know, it could get a little dicey, but if not, we got the inversion, and I think we look for higher, to be honest. I think we would look to try to find power of 3, so open, wick down, manipulate, and then distribute higher would be kind of the idea. If all things play out that way. The Discord's wild right now. I can imagine. It's got to be so frustrating. Like if that's like all you have to use is that, and it's just never working. Oh my god, bro. Terrible. All right, well, we are going to get this inversion on both indices. I just like this to continue higher now. I would like to see a manipulation down, obviously, to kind of form that lower wick on the new hour and 4 hour candle. But yeah, next buy side target 433, and then, like I said, 668. I wonder if we were to even just project this out, what this would look like. -1's up here, just under 500. That'd be good too. And we got this internal 15-minute high as well. So 517. Honestly, it'd be kind of beautiful if if we could get like a gap down and then inverse it. Kind of like yesterday, get some inducement rolling. But gosh, I hope this doesn't just. I hope this isn't it. You know what I mean? I hope like this isn't all we get for manipulation. You can see the hourly wick here though. So, I mean, you could kind of make the argument this is already efficient and rebalanced if it wants to continue higher right now. You're short on YM? YM does look kind of bearish, I'm not going to lie. A lot of stacked lows. Thoughts on gold? I don't have any thoughts. I haven't looked at it. I'll look at it maybe a little bit later. I don't want to look at it right now. We're focused. We're locked in. We are locked in. I'm asking myself right now, I'm like going through time frames. I'm like, what would I have to see invalidate to consider short? So I'm trying, as you guys can tell, I'm trying not to marry either side right now, but obviously that 4-hour close. The 4-hour close makes me want to lean a little bit more bullish, but I guess the overall thought process of this data high being taken with SMT would absolutely argue the other side. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's see what sets up. 1 minute gap here. I mean, I would kind of say like if this can hold, I'll look for lower. But if we inverse this, I'm looking higher. Might do micros here. I still don't have any of my levels marked. Yeah, so I mean, I feel like if this gap does hold and push price lower, I'll probably look for execution below here, like a change in the state down. Use this as an OB, short that. Looking to target London low on ES. If we can inverse here, I'm literally looking the exact opposite, and I'm looking 433 as a break even, and I'm gonna try to take it to 517. So yeah, like this is literally like if this then that right now. If this then that, and I don't know what's gonna fucking happen. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either way, you're looking at like a 50-ish point stop. There we go. A little bit more manipulation at least. If we get this close, I'm going to take the inversion setup for higher. I don't know if I should wait for the retest of the inversion because I've been getting left behind. God, bro. Copy trader is not working again, bro. Fuck. Are you kidding me? Anyway, I'm in here, boys. It's not the best risk reward. My copy trader is not working again. It says contract not found. It's literally imported. It's imported. I mean, what are we doing? Here, boys. I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna re-enter quick. All right, we're good now. We're good now. It's copy trading now. Got a better entry on all these accounts. We'll see if we can get this. Yeah, it said that I didn't have the right contract imported, but I don't know, we're good now. And it might not matter because this is about to get fecked, it looks like. That's crazy. That's terrible. That is god awful. Stopped out chat. Really? Just SMT'd the low with yes. I don't know, boys. I really like that setup, to be honest. We got the 4-hour bullish inversion. Waited for the candle to manipulate lower. Inverted here. Hourly candle was flipping bullish. We just flipped back bearish again. So I mean, that was the setup I was waiting for. That was what I said I wanted. Now we've changed this, changing the state of delivery with a close there. Bearish gap. Ay. I don't know. It looks a little messy now. I'm like, dude, do I just flip short? But fuck, we just left these. I mean, we just generated highs here. I don't know, boys. I'm fucking. And it feels like a chase if I just flip this now. A little bit. What's up, T-Money? Yeah, unfortunately I just took this inversion setup long. Market dick me down. So we're red on the day right now, 630 per account. We'll see, guys. I'm just trying to stay patient. I don't want to like just flip. And chase shorts and then just get in a big clusterfuck here. This looks, like I said, I don't know, this looks like shit. We'll see what it wants to do. But yeah, dang. I mean, it literally gave me what I wanted. I literally said, I'm like, if we get this 4-hour inversion and then the new hour opens up, we trade lower, leaving behind a gap, and we inverse that gap, I'm in longs. And it gave me exactly what I was asking. I can't even be mad at it. It gave me exactly what I was wanting. It gave me exactly what I was wanting. Tough. Yeah, now we see this gap holding. Obviously, we got this change in the stay here. The bullish SMT just failed. The draw for lower would be the London low on ES 832. I don't have it marked out here on MNQ, but yeah, I'm not touching this at the moment. New 15-minute candle about to open. Excuse me. Yeah, you better. Yeah, you better, T-Money. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Don't be fucking playing hard to get now. Don't run. Don't run, T-Money. We're going to have more than just the club going up on a Tuesday, if you know what I'm saying. And I think you do. Oh no. New 15-minute candle just opened up. Trading into this previous hourly open. YM about to trade through these lows. Yeah, boys, I definitely think the all-time high bull market is dead. Remember when it was like every dip was an inducement, and then it was just a dip to go higher. Every time. Not anymore. Not anymore. Trump fucked us. I'm kidding. Kind of. But yeah, man, damn. This was tricky. So this literally, if this does play out for lower, it ended up being the exact opposite of the inducement I was wanting to see. It induced me. Son of a. Yeah, there's no 5-minute gaps. I know that like we're in this 1-minute gap, but I'm like looking at the higher time frames here, 5, 15, hourly. Yeah, now it obviously starting to look a lot different after that previous 15-minute candle closure. This might be it, chat. This might just be fucking it. I don't know. We'll see if this 3 minute can close. I'm thinking I want to try the short here, but I'm trying to be patient and not get, you know, bamboozled. But I'm thinking if we can leave behind this 3 minute gap and then return back into it, I may try to short here. Because it does look like we're going to get clear move to London lows. I'll partial at London low on ES and then try to leave NQ to do the same if we can do that. But all right, sell limit just went on 286 3/4. Going to see if we can get a fill here. Big orders coming in the book map. All right, we'll take it. Yeah, I agree. It's still a little messy. That's why I scaled up a little bit. I went to the 3 minute, and I'm just trying to teeter the line between not chasing this and obviously this does look like where we're gonna go on the 15, especially. Hourly's kind of starting to flip here. Am I not gonna get a fill here? Come on. All this wicking back and forth that you did, you can't fill me here. Get your ass up there. Don't you fucking dare. I'm a good boy. I'm not going to chase you. That and because all my friends are watching. Otherwise, maybe I would. In my privacy where no one can judge me. Fuck! God. You know, this is why trading is so fun. If there's two things we don't chase, it's pussy and trades. I like that. Amen. Well, shit, boys. Yeah, I mean, if I don't get filled, I don't get filled. I mean, unfortunate, obviously, frustrating. But what can a guy like me do? What is a guy like me doing in a girl like you? You know? Anyway, yeah, so limit is set. If I get filled, I get filled. Let's see. It's 10:23, so see, I guess what we want to do is we close out this 15 and 30 minute candle, but Yeah, like I said, my target for lower is for sure London low on ES, which it'll obviously beat NQ to that. So I would partial there if I do get filled, but at that point we'll have SMT with the low, and then it's kind of just wait and see if we get, catch up on NQ, I guess. But that's, I mean, come on, man. Really not going to fill me. Unreal. I kind of felt really good about that, like this limit too, when this third fair value gap candle closed the way that it did. Sock me out west. Shucks. And we're free. Free falling. London low, boys, incoming on ES. I'll take the limit off if we hit it before, which we are right there. It was always data high reversal. It was always a data high reversal. The interface on TradeSyncer, you just go literally in your cockpit on TradeSyncer. There's a blue P&L card button on the top right. That's the card or whatever that I post with my trades on X. London low hanging by a thread. Quit teasing us. My limits are gay? I agree. But at least my limits are virgins. Get it? Unfilled? Oh, badumts. I don't know, boys. Maybe it will get filled. Who fucking knows? What if we just generate these perfect equal London lows on ES? We come back up, get filled, and rock on. Now that I'm getting a little bit hopeful, it's probably going to say, yeah, we're just kidding. Don't get hopeful. If you get hopeful, never ends well. Project X is suspended. Thank God. Get that shit out of here. Bro, that's crazy. Perfect equal lows right now. Is this the trade of destiny? Is this it? Is this what I think it is? Is this the trade of destiny, boys? 10:30 is about to open up here. New 30-minute, new 15-minute. It's either the trade of destiny or the trade of despair. Either way, I'm here for it. Dude, if it goes straight to stop loss, I'm fucking getting off. I'm shutting my computer off and I'm done. Because I will just... I'll want to go on tilt. I'll be pretty red on the day, obviously. I mean, it'll hurt, but... I will absolutely want to kill myself. Something has to make sense here. I'm like, fuck me, right? Ooh, 5-minute. Give us that gap. Don't turn around here, please. Give it to us. Thanks, Brad. Have I ever been to Topgolf? Of course. Who has been to Topgolf? Oh. All right, boys. Vomit bags are ready. And so is my suicide letter. We're in. We are in, chat. London low, ES, take profit 1, partial break even, and then we're going to see if we get London low on NQ as well. And yeah, if this gets stopped out, I'm also basically I'm just gonna write out a big check to APAC because I'll need to get some voodoo on my side. I think I fixed it. Casper. Yeah. Dude, the amount of hoops I had to jump through with like drivers and rolling back drivers, installing new drivers, game ready drivers, studio drivers. Holy smokes. What a pain that was, but yeah, I think I got it fixed. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. Yeah, well, until the next driver update happens, and then who knows if it's going to be the same thing all over again. But as of now, disaster avoided, but I was this close. I was this close to ordering a Mac Studio and just slapping this thing for sale. Or breaking it on stream, one of the two. I still think this could drive higher one more time. We did not quite get to that 50%. I mean, that'd be fine if it didn't. That's fine with me. Let's see. Did we rebalance on ES here? No. And yeah, I'm willing to be patient with this just because as well it's middle of the hour. Well said, Retain. I honestly couldn't agree more. Well, yeah, so you're saying, Muhammad is saying that London low is already tagged. I got perfect equal London lows, boys, on ES. Like, this is like perfect equal lows. So I am going to be of the opinion that they haven't been taken yet. Oh, Micro took it? Fuck, Micro, who cares? Micro. Listen, the only thing micro around here is me. You understand? The only micro anything that you should trust is my data wick. You understand? Does that make sense? Jot that down. You know what? Because my data wick listens. Oh, fuck, dude. I'm a funny fucking guy. I don't care what anyone says. Yeah, I'm going to fucking come. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Don't tell anyone I said that. Hey, I guess...
I'm gonna come.
Sorry, I almost interrupted him. I guess my limits aren't gay, after all. Ooh, had me there for a second. See, boys, this is why you can never lose hope. Never kill yourself. Watch this thing immediately reverse. And then I take it all back. All right, 15-minute candle looking to flip bearish here, finally. Let's get her going. Come on. 1037, though. All right, be patient, boys. First partial, like I said, is going to be that ES. Oh, yeah, that ES London low being tagged. I'm going to partial over half out there just in case we reverse. Try to secure most. Hopefully we're to this external low. At that point, we'll be over 2R still, so it's good RR even for the partial there, so. I think. Ooh, it's about to come, it's about to come, ooh. American Wicks. The risk reward if you do hold all the way to London low is like 4.3. Without partialing, obviously. It's over 2R to this low. Like I said, mentally prepared for this to chop around a little bit. It's 10:39, boys. It's 10:39. Listen, I'll accept it if it doesn't want to chop around, but I'm mentally preparing myself for that exact scenario. We did just inverse here on the 1 minute to the downside. We'll see. It's all internal range. Not planning to break even on this trade at all until, you know, lows and London lows taken. Tyler, I'm taking a shit. Can you help me? Haha. Want some coffee? Otherwise, I'm not sure what else I can do.
Shut up, bitch!
Oops. Slow playing us. Never seen you go to the bathroom and you're always drinking coffee. As soon as the stream ends, bro, I just go and well, depending on how long the stream is, sometimes I just pee my pants. You ain't cool. This is kind of one of the things that I wish more traders talked about is, like, all profitable traders that I've ever met do piss their pants. Uncontrollable urination and wet dreams is kind of like what day traders are known for. At least the ones that I know. Tanya Trade says she's better than you at trading. Shit. Partial at midnight? I mean, yeah, I'm trying to get another drive down here, but like I said, I'm being patient. Another new 15-minute candle is going to open in 2 minutes. Patience. Patience. Oops. My only advice for coping with top step, just don't use them, dude. Like, what other advice can I give? $15-minute fair value gap was left above this high where our entry was triggered, by the way. Like I said, I'm not going break even. Nope. I'll die on this hill. It is crazy, though. I will say this. If it does lose, everything that I did say about not killing yourself, I take it all back. I take it all back. So ES just barely tapped that. Drive up there, hit the 15-minute gap, and let's get on with it. I mean, this is pretty wild if it fails. We are going to be getting into the macro here shortly. What's not nice, Cole? Skank. It's not nice to talk about suicide? Oh. Listen, it's my channel. If I wanna cope with a stop loss with suicide jokes, I'll do it. Let me cope how I want. The only way for me to not kill myself is to joke about killing myself. Doesn't that make sense? Makes sense to me. All right, here's macro. Like I said, it's the trade of destiny. How about you back that Tonka truck? Back it up. Back it up. Yeah, how about you back that thing up right on daddy? Show me what you're working with. Show me what you are working with, if you would not mind. These candles going up, down. Got me spending all of my money. Come on, little fella. Got disconnected for a second. Maybe the PC issues aren't fixed. Dude, if this fucking... Dude. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I'm just going to be speechless, honestly, if it doesn't work out. That is so fucking crazy to me. Ah! Bro, that's fucked. Ah. All right, well, 0-2, boys. Jesus Christ. Jiminy Crickets. Damn, bro. Are you fucking me? Like, this trade fails, dude. That's so gay. Well, trade of despair it is. That's, bro. That is wild. Well. What do I say now? I don't know. I don't know, boys. That is really disappointing. But like, dude, I would take literally both of these trades that I took today. I would take both of them again. I swear to God. I don't know. I'm gonna let this hourly candle close. Jeez. I took one long, one short. The short was up, bro. Oh my God, that's the shitty part about it. All I had to do was break all my rules, and I could be green on the day. That's it. All I had to do was break my rules, guys. I could have been green today. Was up 91 points. Oh, I got no words, man. Unbelievable. Hourly candle just closed. New one is opening. It's opening up right now. Bro. I'm just, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm getting I'm feeling the feeling of tilt. I'm just gonna watch to see how this kind of plays out here in the next 5-10 minutes. Bro, I can't believe ES left this. Perfect equal lows. $8.32 3/4. Yeah, literally. Perfect to the tick. We did just inverse on the 15 minutes on NQ. Not on ES though. That's crazy. Oh, dude, it's just like sometimes the market just makes you feel like a not smart individual. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, market says, yeah, well, hold that L. Yeah, man, I don't know. There's not really much else for me to say. I'm like actually kind of speechless. It just feels like I got... It feels like I just got cheated on. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I really would, like, bro, both of my trades today, I literally got exactly what I wanted on the long. But when the new hourly candle was opening up, I said exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see manipulation down, leave a gap, we inverse it, we continue to these draws. Took it. All right. We flipped this whole range. We put perfect equal lows at London low. Just can't get that, bro. That's crazy. So crazy. Oh man, I thought we had it made here, chat. I thought we had it made, and then macro started, and I thought we had it made here too. Gosh, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Yeah, I don't know. I genuinely, obviously, as markets play out and we get more information, maybe I'll change my mind. But bro, I genuinely would take both these trades again. And that's the God's honest truth. Scout's honor. What's up, Allie? Yeah, I'm waiting. To see, I mean, if this was gonna stop me out and then hold this 50 to 618 on ES, and it's still holding that 15-minute gap, obviously, and then we were to see displacement down, I would consider playing it one more time to the same draw. But if we just keep grinding higher here, then I'm just gonna be done for the morning. I'm down 1,300 per account. 2 L's. That's just so unfortunate. So unfortunate. Just waiting though. We got SMT at this high. Like, we're just so slow right now. We've lost all volatility. There's not a 15-minute market structure shift. Look at ES, brother. Look at the ES chart. You tell me what you see. Yeah, boys. I got to do it. I'm doing it. Same entry. Fuck it. Same stop loss. Third trade of the day. We'll see. Call it FOMO. Call it whatever you want. But target 1. London low, target 2. I want to see ES, like I said, get that London low at least. We'll see if we got it in us. Bottom tick this. I did for right now, yeah. Just tap that CISD. I ain't saying nothing. I'm not jinxing it. You know what? In the spirit of brotherhood. Jesus. Let's go to the dark side. Wonder if I can get this to stick to my forehead. Nope. Fuck. So let's see. There's 2 minutes left on this 15-minute stick. I really don't think we obviously are going to get there in this 15-minute candle, but hopefully in the next 15-minute candle we see 832 on ES. It's been a fucking kind of crazy day here. Well, Z trades, that's kind of what I was thinking too. Like, if ES doesn't rip those lows, I just don't know anything about trading anymore. All right, new 15-minute candle is opening. Switzerland. Nika. All right, guys, what do you think? Well, obviously we're being really patient, but what are the odds this 15-minute stick gets us the rest of the way? It's going to kind of suck if we have to sit here for the rest of the hour for it to hit this. But we'll do it. We'll do it. We just won't be happy about it. What do you guys want to talk about? How's everybody? How about this? How's everybody doing today? Are you guys? I mean, dude. Obviously, I hope this trade plays out. It'll be nice to end on a good note. I mean, I don't even know. It'll be close. We'll see how P&L kind of lines up, I guess. But we'll see. Hopefully, I can get back in the green with this trade. But really unfortunate, honestly, with the stop placement if this was how she unfolds. ES hitting that 618 fucking perfectly. NQ with a little bit deeper of a drive. Just far enough to stop my little fat ass out. God. Dude. Telling you, ES, we're going to have some fucking problems if you don't take out London Low. We are going to have so many problems. Oh, is there going to be problems? Oh, is there going to be trouble in paradise? I'm debating if I should just go break even now, though. Here's what I'm thinking. Or here's what I'm worried. I'm obviously, one, worried about getting stopped out again. But two, I'm worried that on the 15-minute, if this rejection block were to hold after sweeping this low for some stupid reason. So perhaps a break even is warranted now, but I really want to be stubborn and keep risk on, if I'm being honest. Decisions. I'm going through it right now, chat. I am absolutely going through it. Market is fucking with me today. Literally. I don't know. I'm break even for now. Sempy, shut the fuck up. Mm-mm. I don't know, boys. This market's moving like dog shit. I'm break even on this. $15-minute wicks are just ridiculous. What time is it? 11:23. We are like 8 points off London low on ES. Why is the G spot in the exit port? You know, I guess that's kind of something we're all wondering. You know, for equal lows, this is like incredibly high resistance. Last 5-minute candle here of this 30-minute window. No, it didn't take it in. Word on the street is it took it out on micro, but no, it did not take it out. It's literally perfect to the tick, equal lows on E-mini. I put Muhammad in timeout because he kept spamming. That's 2 a.m. low, Taylor. He's back from timeout and he's saying it again. So back in timeout you go, pal. He goes, it's 2 a.m. low. I goes, I says, I goes, I says. Yeah, that's when London it happens. Sempi says, "Did you know it's 2 a.m. low?" I didn't, Sempi. Thank you. Thanks someone for finally saying it. I don't know why nobody told me that was 2 a.m. low. Somebody finally says it. Been waiting all day for someone to say it. Waiting all damn day. Did you see the reclaimed bullish Reaper on the 67 weeks chart? No, I did not, but we'll take a look. Boys. She's testing my patience. But you just gotta sit here and fucking wait, dude. I know it. I know it sucks. 11:30 incoming. Come on, ES. Just accelerate down, dude. This is getting out of hand. Oh, boy. All right, 15, 30-minute close incoming. Top step is still down. Yeah. Yeah, that'll happen. Just go. Go! Just sitting here in silence, dude. This market today is like just painful. Like, dude, the only way to make any money in this is to break all your rules. Well, probably going to be a break even here in all likelihood. Look at this 15-minute chart right now. Miserable. Well, I guess in all the reality was up 91 points here, took a loss, up 61 points here. Could be a break even unless this 5-minute gap holds. But holy fuck, man. I feel just like drained. I feel drained and discouraged. I'm not getting my hopes up. No. I've got my hopes up 18 times today. You guys have seen what's happened on all 18. No. Market doesn't deserve to get my hopes up. The crying is working right now, Oscar. It does that every once in a while. Oh my god, bro. I never want to be in a trade like this ever again. SMT again. Can't even fucking make this shit up, bro. It's just crazy. How about you blow through that London low like that guy blew through my ex-girlfriend's back? I can't wait to hit this buy button. I can't wait. I can't wait. Why? Stop. Go down. Holy fuck, man. Dude. I'm running out of patience. Oh, I'm going to need to get a haircut by the time this trade ends. Why? Brother. There's just no fucking way, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? This is fucking insane, dude. I can't even... I don't even know, bro. I don't even know what to say. I'm dumbfounded. I'm dumbfounded. I'm irritated. I've given it everything I have. How? How? Can someone tell me how? How can this take so long? And it's gonna all be for nothing. I wish I could say it was for something, but I gotta be realistic here. I gotta be realistic. This is all for nothing, boys. It's all going to be for nothing. Honey, bring me the tissues. There's no one here. That'd be funny if somebody just walked in though with a box of tissues. This is like, dude. This is like when foreplay goes way too long. You know what I mean? Like where it like becomes unenjoyable, and you're like it hurts. You've got blue balls. She's asleep. It's just like, oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? You know? What in tarnation? We're living and dying with every 1 minute candle. And I hate the way it feels. Here we go again. Here we fucking go again. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's like hell that just never stops, bro. Every time I think we're good, we're not good. All for nothing. Oh. It just got me break even on 5 of 7, apparently. Are you fucking my ass? Bro. If you guys want to know what tilt looks like, you're going to see it right here. Yep, that's why you don't tilt, boys and girls. That was fucking retarded. Oh boy. Here we go. Yeah, I'm out. I'm closing that. Retarded, bro. I'm getting off, man. I'm getting off. If I don't get off, I'm just going to keep tilting. That is terrible, bro. Absolutely terrible. Up 91 points. Up 61 points. 18 times. Stop, break even. Try to chase it with more size. Tilting 101. Literally. Clinic on it right there. Down 2K. Nah, not quite. 1,900 per account. Dog shit. All right, well, hit the like button, chat. This was absolutely horrendous today. Look at your 15-minute charts if you have not already. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I don't know. I'm in disbelief. I'm just as shocked as you boys are. But, hey, well, just another day at the office. We'll be back tomorrow. All right. All right. I guess we'll see you boys then. Be safe today. Don't be like me. Learn from me. Don't be like me. Learn from me. Put that on a Hallmark card. All right. Bad example today. So, we'll own it. Nothing I can do about it now. But yeah, we'll be back live tomorrow, boys. We'll be back live tomorrow, 9:15, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Red day for me. Market is very, very, very chopperific. And, like, I know that ES is going to go take this London low. It's just like, my God. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. All right. So, I'm going to call it there before I make any more mistakes. All right. Enjoy your Tuesday, boys and girls. Yeah, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. All right? All right. Peace and love, everybody. We'll talk to you later.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler Trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single line snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity it grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.